Hello dear students and welcome to this online class video. This is the fourth and the last part of the chapter 3rd, how many squares of class 5 subject mathematics. And before starting the video, I request to the all viewers to like, share and subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my channel. And I am Jay Prakash. Let's start the class. At first, let's have an overview of today's class. So in today's overview, we have 4 topics. The first is puzzles with 5 squares. The second is game time. The third is make your own tile with pentomino and hexomino. And the last is practice time. So come to the first topic, which is puzzle with 5 squares. So let's reading first. Measure the side of a small square on the squared paper on page number 45. That was actually 1 centimeter the length, and make as many shapes as possible using 5 such squares. 3 are drawn for you. Okay, so in the next page we can see that 3 pictures are drawn here, and these all are made with 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, with 5 squares. So first I want to clear a word, that is pentomino. That what is pentomino? So you can see a picture we have here, and it has 5 squares and it's all edges, means sides are connected to each other. Okay, and they all have same area, means they are same. So this type of polygon is known as pentomino. If you want to define, so the words you can write that pentomino is a polygon, and in the pentomino is a polygon in the plane made of 5 equal sized squares connected edge to edge. Clear? Now come to the question in the next page. So here we have to draw some other pictures, but before drawing that we have some questions. So first read that all. So the first is how many different shapes can you draw? We will draw that, then we will write that how many shapes we draw. Then the second is find the longest perimeter from that shapes, and how much is that? We will write. Then shortest perimeter we have to find from that shapes, and what is the perimeter? We will write that. And area of the shapes we will also find. So for this I have a picture of pentominos. So you can see that A, B, C, D, E, F means 12 pictures, 12 shapes are made here with pentomino. So now you have to answer the first question, that how many shapes we have drawn. So you can write we have I think 12. Let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, we have 12 shapes. And the second question was find the longest perimeter. So you can see that the longest perimeter is means A, B, C, E, F, G all are looking like same perimeter. How much is that? Now come to C to find the perimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The length is 5 centimeter and breadth is 1. Okay, so 5 plus 5 10, 1 plus 11 plus 1 12. So 12 centimeter. Okay, actually A, B, C this all have same perimeter. Okay, but D is not 12 centimeter because its perimeter is looking like small comparing to other shapes. So let's count it, that how much is that. Let me zoom it first. So now count. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total 10 centimeter, because one side, the length of the one side is 1 centimeter. So all side we count, that we found 10 centimeter. So this is the smallest perimeter, and the name of the shape is shape D. Now and also there was one question, we have to find the area. So it's very easy. The area, the all shapes will have the equal area. How can you say? Because this is pentomino, and pentominos have same type of squares, and the area of one square is 1 square centimeter. So area of 5 squares will be 5 square centimeter. Okay, and these all shapes have the same area. Now come to the next page. Now did you get all the 12 shapes using 5 squares? Yes, we got that. And here is the notice that all 12 shapes are arranged here to make a rectangle. This is a 10 by 6 rectangle as there are 10 rows and 6 columns. So here you can see that it has 10 rows and how many columns? Yes, 6 columns. And you will be surprised to know that there are more than 2000 ways in which these shapes make a 10 by 6 rectangles. Okay, so this type of 10 by 6 rectangle I have, and I want to show you. Here you can see that by using a 10 by 6 rectangle some shapes are made. Okay, means some pentominos are used to fill this 10 by 6 rectangle. You can do it. Now in the next page, draw all 12 shapes on a sheet of cardboard and cut them. You can cut that, which I shown to you. Now in the next, try another puzzle. Okay, so you have to make a 5 by 12 rectangle with these 12 shapes. There are more than 1000 ways to do it. If you can find, so try it. So 5 by 12 we have a rectangle and we have to use pentominos to fill this 5 by 12 rectangle. So here is the picture. You can see with different patterns like 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, this shape you can see it is used to complete this 5 by 12 rectangle. So this type of other patterns you can see here which are used to fill this 5 by 12 rectangle. Now in the next question we have next page is game time. This is our next topic. So here is a chessboard, you can see it, and play this game with your partner with one set of 12 shapes. Okay, you all know how to play chess, but here we will not play chess. This game is different. Actually we have to use pentominos. Okay, so how you will play that? For example, there are two friends A and B. Okay, so in this all in these shapes, what A will put some pentomino shapes. Okay, and B will also after A, B will also put some pentominos, and at last, at the end, who will put the last pentomino, so he will win this game. He will be the winner. In this way you can play this game. Now in the next page, Ziri went to a shop and was surprised to see the different designs and tiles on the floor. Aren't these beautiful? Yes, you can see these are beautiful patterns. Can you find the tile which is repeated to make each of these floor patterns? Circle a tile in each pattern. Yes, we can find that pattern, tile pattern which is used. So here you can see this one. Okay, this one is a tile pattern which is used repeatedly, and also this is. Now in the next page, after looking at the patterns, Ziri wanted to make her own yellow tile. You to make a tile this way. So here are some steps to make a tile, yellow tile pattern by Ziri, and here you have to know the dimension of this square sheet. So it is square of side 3 centimeter. Okay, remember this length because you have to solve some questions in the next page. So the length of one side of this square is 3 centimeter. Remember that. Okay, now in the next page, so finally Ziri has made a beautiful tile pattern here. You can see in yellow color, and now we have to find its area. Okay, and also we have to find that how many number of tiles is used. So these two questions are here. So first is how many tiles has she used. So first answer this question. Now let's count the number of tiles. So here you can see that the squares are here 1 2 3 4 5 6. These are complete squares, so we can take as 6. Now here 1 2 3 and 4 5 6, we have 6 half tiles. Okay, so number of tiles will complete tile will be 3 because we have 3 halves. And also here on the left side 1 2 3 and 4. More 4 means 6 plus 4, 10. So total we have 10 half tiles. So number of tiles will be 5 and complete squares there were 6. 6 plus 1, 11. Okay, now look at the corners here. Okay, these are how much of the whole squares. Yes, you're right, this is 1/4. Okay, this type of question we have solved in the previous video, and here we have 1/4 means 1 2 3 4 tiles with 1/4, so it makes 1. So 11 plus 1, 12. So we found that total 12 tiles are used, okay, to complete this pattern. Now what is the area of the floor pattern that Ziri has made here? So it's very easy, because number of tiles is 12 and the length of one side was 3. So 12 multiplied by 3, it will be 36 square centimeter. Okay, these 3 we have taken from the previous page that was mentioned there. Now in the next we have practice time. So Ziri tried to make some other tiles. She started with a square of 2 centimeter side and made shapes like this. So here are some shapes A, B, C, D. So look at this carefully and find out. So some questions are here. Which of these shapes will tile a floor without any gaps? Discuss what is the area of these shapes. So first you have to watch it properly, that which tile is will be used on the floor with without any gaps. So if you will take A, so here you can see the chord is here. Okay, if you will put another tile here, so that will also have a chord, so that this portion will be gap. And also in B, here are gaps, so A and B are not used. Okay, now C and D, yes, you can see that C and D are it may be used to complete the floors because there will be no gaps. And here is a picture of it I want to show you. And where is the picture? Just wait. Sorry, I don't have. But if you will use C and D, so you will get that. Now next is make designs in your copy by tiling those shapes, and now you can create your own tile out of a square. Can you do the same with a triangle? Try doing it. You can do it. Now there's a question that I wanted to ask you, but I just forgot that we have cleared the first topic was, yes, puzzles with 5 squares, and we used a word that was pentomino. So I want to ask you that there are many mobile games, okay, that you play which is based on pentomino. So write the name of that game in the comment section that you play. Okay, dear students. Now in this way this lesson is completed, and at last I want to say, if you have any doubt regarding the area and perimeter, you can check its previous video. The definitions, the way of explanation is in the previous videos of area, related to area and perimeter. You can check that, and if you have any doubt, so you can comment. I will definitely answer that all. Now it's time to stop the class, and see you all in the next video with new lesson. Till then, bye bye dear students.